No one talks anymore. No one talks anymore. We just emojify our feelings. Can't put this in an emoji. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? We are living in a day and age of digital and technology and buttons and symbols, and no one talks anymore. So I'm tired of trying to combat it. Emojis are the new form of dialogue. This is right. It's a new language out there, kids, and I'm just learning as I go. Emoji Burger is where I ask you, the people, to send me 3 emojis, any 3 emojis, and I'm gonna scroll through and I'm gonna pick some and I'm gonna see which combination of 3 could make for the most interesting burger. But today, I'm gonna take 3 emojis. One was a Tex-Mex hard-shell taco, one was an avocado, and one was some popcorn. And I'm gonna turn that into today's episode of Emoji Burger. So, let's cook, shall we? Alright, so we got a lot of fun elements in this burger. We got some tortillas, some cheese, some corn, avocados, oh my. The most important being the beef for the burger. There's some ground beef here. Now, the trick to this burger, because it's not going in a bun, it's getting wrapped in a tortilla and then grilled within that tortilla. We don't want the burger to be too big or else we won't be able to fully capture it. Just gonna salt it. We wanna make sure there's a good amount of salt on the outside of the burger, or else we won't get a nice little sear. Got a cast iron pan preheating. Just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to that pan. This is what's so important for that sear on the burger. Salt on the outside and a nice hot cast iron. Question for you at home. How many times do you flip a burger when you cook it? The answer should be 1 flip. Burger goes in, let it cook half the way, flip it again, let it cook the other half of the way, and that is it. The oil is now hot. See, hear that, hear that? Nice, huh? Hear that? Burger effects. I didn't say sex, I said effects, like burger effects. Burger, anyway. Okay, so while the burger is doing its thing and cooking and searing, we're gonna get our corn niblets. Ripe avocado. Just gonna put about half an avocado in there. Some tomatillo salsa. A little nice flavor there. A little fresh cilantro, mix that around. Some fresh lime juice. If you want this spicy, this would be where I add some fresh jalapeno, dash of hot sauce, whatever you want. Now we're gonna flip the burger. Anyone that tells you you need a barbecue to make a burger, they're lying. You need a cast iron. That's what you need. All right, so the burger's almost done. We don't want to overcook it. Like I said, it's gonna go in that tortilla and it's gonna cook off a little more. So while we wait, let's get the whole enchilada ready. Get it? When people say the whole enchilada, but it's not really an enchilada. Anyways, I'm gonna throw some cheese down. Throw a little bit of iceberg lettuce. Got our corn and avocado salsa. And whatever doesn't fit in the burger can go on the side as well. Burger's gonna sit right on top. A little more cheese. Now we fold. 1 corner, 2 corners, 3 corners, and 4 corners. Non-stick pan, bring that up to temp, get a little canola oil in there. So oil's in the pan. Now that it's hot, we're gonna throw this wrapped tortilla right into the pan. The goal of this is to get a nice sear on the top and the bottom of this wrapped burger, but we're gonna also make sure that cheese is super melty. When we bite into it, it's a nice burger. All right, time to give this a nice flip. That's what I want to see. Nice, golden brown. That way it holds everything in. Another option too is if you don't want to do this final stage back in a non-stick pan, if you have one of those little panini presses, there you go. You finally have a reason to use that. Okay, so we got a nice sear on both sides. Okay, so the Tex-Mex taco burger served on the side with some sour cream for dipping, or you can spoon it on, whatever the hell you want to do. And then, like I said, I had some of that avocado corn salsa, throw it on the side as well. Add a little bit of salt for good measure. If you want to add a little bit more lime juice for some acidity. Like I said, you could even put some hot sauce in here at this point. Man, that's amazing. Well, there you have it, folks. Another episode of Emoji Burger, and really couldn't do this series without you, because you guys just keep sending in ideas, and I look at them, I go, oh, that would make a good burger, or oh, that would be a fun idea. And that's what we do here. That's what we do on Emoji Burger. We look at symbols and we turn them into beef burger goodness. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and down in the comments below, send me some emojis, because that's all we do is emoji, back and forth. So thumbs up, winky face, devil head. I don't know why I did the devil head.